Hi there, this is Arad from English for Everyone. Today's lesson is about reflexive pronouns. Sometimes the name of the lesson is a bit frightening, it's a bit big. Reflexive pronouns, oh my god, what that's gonna be? Well, this is nothing complicated, it is not difficult, trust me. This is something very easy. Reflexive pronoun. Well, as the name suggests, it's something to do with reflection. Maybe a mirror? Yeah, something like a mirror, alright? I'll explain why I'm telling this. Subjective pronouns are things that refer back or go back to the subject of the sentence, the doer of the sentence. They appear somewhere in the sentence to talk about the doer of the action, okay? Let me give you a different example and then we will come back to reflexive pronouns, okay? So, I saw Adam, okay? I saw Adam. So here, I am the one who did the action of seeing, okay? I am the doer, I am the subject. And the object of the sentence, the one that receives the action, or the action is to be seen, is Adam, okay? So I am different from Adam. I see a different person, okay? Or if Adam is the doer of the action, then I would say Adam saw, I can't say I would say Adam saw me. Okay, this is the objective pronoun, which is the next lesson. I'm going to talk about this in the next video. If you want to watch that, you can do it after this video. And so these are different. In these two sentences, we have two people. One is Adam, the other one is me. But sometimes you are the doer of the action and you are the receiver of the action. Like you threw something and it comes back and bang, it hurts here on my head. Okay, I threw it and it comes back to my head. Okay, who did it? I. Who is hurt? I. Okay, I am the doer of the action and I am the receiver of that, bang. Alright, so in this case, we do not have two people like I saw Adam. No, we do not have two people. It's only one person. The doer and the receiver are the same. It's like you looking in the mirror. You see someone there, and that person is not different. That is you. Okay. This is where we use reflexive pronouns. Okay. So I look in the mirror and I see myself. Okay. So now let's list them. Let me go through the list so that you have all the reflexive pronouns and then we'll go to more examples. So I, myself, like I saw myself. You, yourself. You saw yourself. She, herself. He, himself. It's, itself. Yeah, we can say that as well. It depends on the sentence. We, ourselves. You, yourselves, they, themselves. If you look at the three final ones, the three over here, you can see that these are not selves. They are not self, they're selves. And I have explained in a video called Plural Forms. If you click on this I, it will tell you why we have selves, not selves. Okay, it's clear over there. I have explained over there. So now let's talk about the example. For example, she draw herself. Okay, she draw herself. She is drawing, and the person who is been drawn, for example, she's looking at in a mirror and draws, or she looks at her own picture, a photo of herself, and draws. Then she is drawing herself, not someone else. So we have two people, but actually no, they are the same. So the artist, the one that is drawing, is the person who is been drawn. Okay, so we are using herself to say that these two are not different. Alright, sometimes we think and we talk to ourselves. Okay, so I say I told myself, it means I thought and I was telling somebody, and that somebody is myself. Okay, so I can go through the list once again. I told myself, you told yourself, she told herself, he told himself, and the rest. You might have heard the expression by myself. It's not an expression, it's part of a sentence. By myself, by himself, by herself. By, in English, when we use by, it's a preposition and it means by means of. For example, when I say I go to work by bus, that is I'm talking about the means of transportation. Or it's by the bank, means close to the bank. Okay, but in this case, when I use by and then the reflexive pronouns means alone. Okay, I did it by myself. I did it by myself means I did it alone. I did it by myself means I did it alone, and no one else helped me. Okay, you see a beautiful painting and you ask the painter, did you do it by yourself? By yourself. By in this case means alone. No one else helped you. Are you sure? So we are actually showing a bit of surprise by using this and asking if that's been done alone. Okay, so by myself, by something, by himself, by herself means alone. Sometimes we are talking about a group of people, okay, and when we say by themselves, it means just those people, no one else, no one from outside that group has helped. Okay, they built the house themselves. It means that group of people, if it can be 2 people or 10 people, we are talking about those people. So those people did it, no one else helped them. Okay, she cooked all the meals by herself. By herself means no one else helped her. She did all the things that she needed for cooking, okay, for cooking those meals. So it means alone. Alright, so by herself means she and no one else. She and alone. Okay. Sometimes we use these reflexive pronouns directly after the subject. Like I say, I myself, you yourself. There is no gap between these two. I mentioned the person, the subject, and then myself, the reflexive pronoun after the subject. I myself, we ourselves, you yourself. So we just mention the reflexive pronoun after the subject. And why do we do this? To emphasize, to show, to put a bit of pressure on it. Okay, imagine you break the window and I see this. Then later on I come to you and say, oh, have you seen the window? I say, oh, which window? And you deny this. And I say, hey, I myself saw that. Okay, it means no one else told me. I myself. In this case, if I say I saw that, it's normal. Okay, but when you deny, I'm not using that normal sentence. I say I myself saw that. I'm emphasizing. I am putting some pressure on it. I'm putting some light on it, making it clear that I have seen it. Okay, so I say I myself saw that. Okay, in this case, I am showing that I am sure. Or I say you yourself did it. Okay, it means I know if I say you did it. Okay, that is normal. But if I say you yourself did it, it has more pressure. It's more clear. Okay, I am sure. I'm showing my certainty. Okay, so that was some areas we use these reflexive pronouns. If you've got any questions about them, just comment them under this video. I'll try to come back to you as soon as I can. And in the next video I'm going to talk about objective pronouns, so don't miss that one either. See you in the next video. Bye!